and Jordan.
As we watch out here, coming in from Air Show Right. You can see the team is set up 225 at 230 miles an hour. The boss says, okay, guys, here we go. Ready, pull. Nice 3-4G pull as they go right on up in that beautiful diamond formation. Now as he goes vertical, he says, okay, ready, break. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful up bombers of the Philippines stage. As he dives in out here, shows 210, 220 miles an hour. Right down on the show line. Hovers right back up in the vertical. Look at that vertical roll capability that airplane. He flies him right around. Hanging out as he goes around. Oh man, what a ride that's gonna be. That's Gary Ward, ladies and gentlemen. Say hello. Gosh, Gary dives right back into Air Show Center. Making his wind direction. He dives straight out there off that left end zone. Hovers that airplane right across the top. Right across the top on here off Air Show Center. Look at the performance, look at the roll rate of that index as he reverses course. And now, heading it upside down. Oh man, what a nasty ride that is. Now as he lines it up out here off that left end zone. Coming right back in there. Right down Air Show line. Powers up into the vertical one more time. Look at that, showing the left rudder. As he just switches up and down there. Pretty cool, straight bumpy there. As he flies across the top, only about 35,000 feet. And now as he comes right back down on here, vertical dive, powered up by that big 540 cubic inch, 350 plus horsepower. As he brings that airplane right back down on the deck. Just to give you an idea of the size of this airplane. Up. The boss brings him right on up and around. Look at that beautiful loop as they go right on through. As they finish this loop, let's watch right now. Put your attention to the right wing pilot. That's Dave Cupid Monroe. As they come right now, they're going to be putting the wingman to the test out here. As
man, I love to watch that plane. His sons. There he goes, 4-point roll. His sons spend all the time polishing that plane, and I know that they hope to be flying it very soon today. His entire family flies. His mom flies. His dad is an aerobatic performer. His brother Jeff is a warbird and aerobatic performer. They truly keep flying in the family. Half Cubanate, He pulls it back up to my favorite maneuver that he does. We call it the avalanche loop. Here we go.
The hearts of all Americans, spirit of which these airplanes were flown. As we got a real nice photo shot there as they come by. Popping a nice black smoke out here at Air Show Center. Just turning away. And now our number 2 aircraft. Department of Air Force's organization dedicated. About ready to go. This was Sandy Dish. Ryan Bart here at the announcer stand. I'm sure that the shockwave is still out there, but I cannot tell you. That's unusual. So we look out there and see a fire breathing trunk out on the Arkansas, a graduate of Arkansas State University, 20-year combat veteran with 4 deployments to Afghanistan. As he drops his bomb out there, again, now coming in right now, coming to Show Center. That is First Lieutenant Steve Split-Orens, piloting our second Warthog. He is. Shockwave has been given the go. Coming in, it's down the show lines. Here comes the Shockwave. Gary Ward's coming by. Right out the Show Center. The Shockwave. Oh, yeah. The chutes are out as he goes down the line out here off of Air Show Center. So a few moments, he approaches from your left. You'll feel the heat. You'll feel the power. That is the one, the only, the Shockwave. Down to watch Chris Darnell trying to get the look out of his the Shockwave. Look on the business side of the Shockwave right there. Looking down those.
And it's never coming down. We're invincible.
Do you like my videos? Do you like my YouTube channels? Also subscribe on my channel, like and share my video channels. Let's spread the love.